Wow, it is such a nice day out today. I should go play outside. La-di-da-di-da. Hey Marissa, get a picture of me over by this beautiful tree. I love discovering things. Hey, look at this awesome pine cone. Get a picture of me by it. Nature is so pretty. So I hope that you love nature just as much as Marissa and I do. Here are a few shots that we loved taking in the backyard. These leaves have so many different lines on them. Cool. The view from way up here is so awesome. Hey look, a slug. Such pretty flowers. I want to pick one of those apples from the apple tree. Grow, little plants, grow. Thank you for watching my assignment for PAGMA Season 2, Theme 2, Nature. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video as much as I had making it. Now go outside and have some fun. Oh, and don't forget, if you liked this video, give us a thumbs up. And subscribe, rate, and comment. This video was inspired by Girl of the Year Studios. You